A Russian reserve captain, Vasily Dandykin, provided his opinion about the potential induction of F-16 fighter jets to the ongoing conflict in Ukraine in a recent interview with Viandilo, a military affairs website. Notably, Dandykin believes that the F-16 could pose a severe challenge to the Russian Aerospace Force's VKS's Su-35 and MiG-31 aircraft. Dandykin said, "The F-16 is a fourth-generation fighter. It will be too durable against our Su-35, Su-35SM, and MiG-31." Although adding that the MiG-31 and Su-35 are well equipped to deal with the F-16 if they do indeed meet in the sky over Ukraine. Furthermore, Dandykin also called for financially incentivizing the Russian military personnel to shoot down the F-16s. However, he believes that not all F-16s will be destroyed en masse, but some should be captured for further study of American technology. In this video, Defense Updates analyzes why the Russian captain is wary of the American F-16 fighter jet. Let's get started. Ukraine's allies have provided it with many kinds of weapons, but have been reluctant when it comes to providing Western-origin fighter jets. The main reason is that transfer of jet fighters would be seen as a major escalation by the Kremlin, and this could make the war spill out beyond the Ukrainian borders. On January 30th, President Joe Biden firmly ruled out the notion of providing Ukraine with F-16 fighter jets. Despite this, the capital city of Kyiv still holds on to the belief that they may receive F-16s from either the Netherlands or Poland. Recently, the Ukrainian government made a formal request to the Netherlands for the supply of F-16 fighter jets. At the same time, a high-ranking Ukrainian official stated that they have received encouraging signals from Poland regarding the transfer of F-16s with the coordination of NATO. Since its introduction in 1978, over 4,600 F-16s have been built, and the aircraft is in service with more than 25 countries around the world. There are 3 reasons F-16s could be lethal for Russian aircraft. Let's check them one by one. The F-16 is equipped with advanced defensive systems, such as the AN/ALQ-211 electronic warfare system. The ALQ-211 family of systems detects, denies, disrupts, degrades, and evades lethal threats and provides multispectral, radio frequency, infrared, and laser situational awareness. The AN/ALQ-211 consists of several components, including a radar warning receiver, jamming system, and chaff and flare dispenser. The radar warning receiver is designed to detect and identify hostile radar emissions, while the jamming system is used to disrupt or deceive the radar signals. The chaff and flare dispenser is used to confuse and decoy radar-guided weapons. If an F-16 is in the lethal range of the threat, the ALQ-211 initiates an integrated, instantaneous response, breaking missile lock through RF countermeasures, and cues the use of chaff and flares. As the aircraft's survivability suite controller, the ALQ-211 coordinates the response for laser and infrared threats, providing a truly integrated approach to aircraft self-protection. Viewers may note that fighter jets carry a limited number of missiles, and if a Russian fighter targeting an F-16 expends its missiles without scoring a hit, it becomes vulnerable to a counterattack. As for the F-16, it's primarily equipped with the AIM-9 Sidewinder and AIM-120 AMRAAM missiles for air-to-air engagements. It's compatible with the latest versions of these missiles to maintain its air-to-air capabilities, which are AIM-9X and AIM-120D. The AIM-9 Sidewinder, where AIM stands for Air Intercept Missile, is a short-range, supersonic, heat-seeking air-to-air missile. The missile's main components are an infrared homing guidance section, an active optical target detector, a high-explosive warhead, and a rocket motor. The infrared guidance head enables the missile to home in on the target aircraft's engine exhaust. The missile has a two-way data link and is able to engage a target in a 360-degree envelope around the aircraft using lock-in after launch mechanism. Through this mechanism, the missile can acquire the target after it's been launched from the aircraft. AIM-9X is designed for within visual range engagement and has a range of 35 kilometers or 22 miles. It has the upgraded rocket motor and warhead, apart from the inclusion of fixed forward canards and smaller fins designed to increase flight performance. The X model is also compatible with the Joint Helmet-Mounted Cueing System, which is designed for ease of target acquisition and decreased aircrew workload. The AIM-120D is the latest development of the AMRAAM missile family, designed and built by America's Raytheon and meant for beyond visual range combat. It includes a two-way data link, superior navigation through GPS-enhanced inertial measurement unit, a much larger no-escape zone, and improved high-angle off-bore sight capability, apart from an increase in range by 50%. The software algorithm has seen a lot of work and has a much better capability, especially in dealing with new forms of electronic attack. AIM-120D has much more accurate guidance over its whole flight envelope, which improves the kill probability and has improved resistance to countermeasures. Its range is thought to be about 160 kilometers or 100 miles. These two missiles are considered to be two of the best missiles in the world in their respective engagement envelope. The F-16 is equipped with an advanced data link, named Link 16, that allows it to share information with other aircraft and ground stations, improving situational awareness. With Link 16, military aircraft, as well as ships and ground forces, may exchange their tactical picture in near real time. Link 16 also supports the exchange of text messages and imagery data and provides two channels of digital voice, 2.4 kilobits or 16 kilobits in any combination. So F-16 will have excellent situational awareness, as it will most likely fly with supporting NATO AWACS or Airborne Warning and Control System. AWACS aircraft could operate outside the Ukrainian skies and still provide valuable inputs to the F-16s. While Deputy Chairman of Russia's Security Council and former President Dmitry Medvedev warned last year that NATO personnel actively participating in the conflict will become a legitimate target for the Russian armed forces, it's unlikely that Russia would fire against NATO AWACS, except if such an asset has entered into Russian territory. F-16 will have an edge in combat owing to superior supporting assets.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more videos like this. Hit the like button if you find the video interesting, and kindly provide your feedback in the comment section. This will help us improve.